Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing my bike check for this year, and so let's get into it. So right off the start, we have the Polygon Tread dirt jump frame. Not the ZZ, the ZZ is the slopestyle frame. This frame is actually really good for, it hasn't given me any problems. I really like the frame, good geometry, good specs. Had no problems with any of the frame. The seat, we have Chromag Overture Liaison Series seat. It has a special grip on the side for your knees to slot into when you do bar spins. Down to the seat post we have a Australian Descendant derivative seat post. I've recently just put the Chromag and the Descendant bits on because the last parts were pretty shitty quality, so I decided to upgrade to something good. For the pedals, we have Thermalite, they're stock pedals. They're pretty good. They've lasted this whole year. They're tough for plastic pedals, really good for dirt jumping. They started to creak, which is a little annoying, but they work really well. The grip's good, the pins in it have stayed in pretty well. Yeah, and to the front we have RockShox Arizai, Aggressor, I don't know. They're really good dirt jump forks for beginners. They're spring coiled shocks. They've got a rebound adjustment on the side. You can convert them to air. I might do that in the future, but they haven't worried me too much at this point. Nothing's wrong with the forks or anything. To the bars, we have Chromag OSX Q bars, the 2020 model. I cut them down to 750 for. I used to run 740s on my old bars, but I decided to go up to 750s because just a little bit of extra room. I've only used them for a week now since like I said, I put the new parts on, but they're really good. They're strong. They look good. They feel really good. They feel much better than my old ones. They feel a little bit more agile, like stiff, which is good. To the brake, we have a Shimano Dior. It's a basic brake. I think I've got 6 rotations in bar spins. I've had a few problems with the brakes. They kind of the brake stopped working, and now it recently started screeching really badly. I had to replace the caliper because it was messing up so badly. And to the grips, we have Sensus. Good. Sensus Desistivos. Really good lock-on grips. This is the first time I've ever run lock-on grips on DJ. They're really tough. They've worn down. I think I've just started not wearing gloves because with bar spins I kept getting them caught, but they've kind of worn down a bit. They're still really good. They're strong. They're really tough. The end caps haven't come off, which is really good because a lot of lock-on grip end caps come off. They have 2 locks, which means they're more kind of stuck on the bar. For the tyre, I'm running Continental, I think it's Race King up the front, no, Cross King up the front, just for smaller tread. I think it's an XC tyre. It has protection walls on the sides. Really good. I'm running tubes and don't run tubeless. And on the back for the tyre, I'm running a Continental Race King. It has a lot of tread, very low tread, but it's like really complex tread. Protection walls on that one, 2.2 milliseconds. For the rims, I've got WTB. They are really bad quality rims. That kind of goes to show on a stock ride. Most spokes are loose on the back one. really, really strange for a DJ wheel how it kind of comes loose a lot. They're really quite bent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will probably be some more videos coming soon because I haven't really posted much on the channel lately. This is just an update because a lot of people have asked for bike check. I'll probably be upgrading maybe at the end of this year for a new whole bike with new forks, new frame. You'll have to wait and see, but yeah, catch you later.